gonna play some Call of Duty or something, bruh. What the hell? Who the fuck is that? Yo! Yo!
Yo!
Yo!
Yo!
What you doing, bro?
Get in!
What's going on?
Get in!
What's going on?
We gotta go to the speaker store, man.
The speaker store? Shit, bet, bro. We going.
Alright,
Wait, so what are we getting here, bro?
So today, if the plan goes well, we're putting a speaker rack in the single cab Ford Ranger.
Oh shit.
So we're gonna walk in here and see what we can get, what fits. So let's do it.
Oh yeah. Keep it a buck, bitty.
So this should...
You're gonna go fucking death, dude.
You think that's a good size?
Pretty much, yeah.
Dude.
Holy shit. Look at that shit. It's right, right behind your head, bro. You're gonna go. That's gonna be so loud. That's what we like.
Yes, sir.
Golly, son.
Freaking bag, man. Hate coming out of pocket this much, but I think it'll be worth it.
Shit.
Oh, boys. Finally made a unresponsible purchase today.
Responsible purchase.
We're gonna be loud.
Some expensive ass but quality ass speakers.
Those are Ryan's, man. Guess we'll go to Ace Hardware and get the bolts.
Yeah, you said to be careful because of all that shit back there.
Yeah. I didn't realize what they were saying until now, bro.
The last time I made a video about my car, I brought those $25 speakers, bro. They were like clowning my ass for it. They were like, you got some booth ass speakers, bro. And I was just like, no, they're good, they're good. They weren't really that good. Yeah, these motherfuckers, they're fucking good.
You know what's crazy about Jose's truck?
Huh.
His door speakers don't even work. He's just running off the rack.
Decided to take seats out of the Ranger because it was just 4 little bolts and they just slide right out so easy. Gives us so much more room to get up in here and put that box up in here. But we got a wiring kit that is 4 gauge. We're gonna run that to his battery. And then we got ourselves a little distribution block that we're gonna connect both of his amps up because he got another amp for the new 6x5s. And then the amp for the sub. And it's gonna be fucking immaculate. Sorry for the loud noises occasionally. They're doing construction work over there across the street.
Dear Bruce, I need to be honest and clear. I'm gonna marry Harvey Dent.
Stop fucking with me, girl. I already tried giving you the world. Now I sit by myself. Oxys make me well. Stop playing these games, just give it up. Can you come help me? I'm stuck. Can't seem to move on. Like what the fuck? All those times you did me so I pour it in my cup. Like, bitch, who you missing? My money longer than a bitch with extensions. This ain't GTA, but I'm on a mission. You did crazy, make you wanna switch positions. Mood swings, so I kept my distance. Feel like Rick and Morty traveling through dimensions. Chopper hit your teeth, go see a dentist.
Took that big 40 and it came with an extension. Bitch, I shoot like Curry, yeah, you know I'm never missing. Fuck your main hoe, cause she said that you was bitchin'. Bitch, I feel like James Harden whipping in the kitchen. Hop up in the sky and you know we really drifting. Had a bad bitch, yeah, you know I'm really missing. Gave my heart away, yeah, she off in the distance. I don't know, I just might be in my feelings. So I met a new one and I couldn't resist it. Never felt this love before because it's been missing. This ain't basketball, but my shooter's in position.
Met this bad bitch and you know I am in it. Do not come around, that's a bad decision. Bullets hit your body like a fucking collision. Chopper do you dirty, shoot it until it's clicking. Stop fucking with me, girl.
We got ourselves a 4-gauge power wire connected up to there, ran it all the way through. This is the old power wire. What was it, an 8-gauge? Upgraded to 4. Got it all the way ran. We got all the stuff up off the top, so the headliner will fold back just a little bit. And then we're just gonna drill a hole in the box in that metal piece. Got some 2 big ass bolts, some washers, and some lock nuts.
With the gang hoe in the whip, blowing endo out the window. Found your bitch inside my phone, she acting mental. Don't try to mess with me, get hit in your temple. Chopper bullets so big it'll leave you with some dimples. Why you act like police? That shit not tenfold. I just stay out the way, tryna get it to the dough. Yeah, I used to love that bitch, but she got kicked out the door. She left my heart torn. Got a lot of memories, I wish I couldn't think no more. Rolling up this loud
Fuse block going to the
Distributor.
and power wire going to the kicker amp for the sub. We got another power wire going to the other amp for the box, the rack. The speaker wires ran. We got a channel for the tweeters and a channel for the 6x5.
You guys check out this fitment.
Oh yeah.
Look at that fitment.
Oh yeah. So we're getting ready to drill. There's a metal plate back here behind the headliner, and you can see it through the tail light wire or hole. It's the metal plate right here. We're finna get the drill. We got those big ass bolts, and we're just gonna drill 2 holes, probably like one over here and one over here somewhere. Oh yeah, son. Sheesh.
All right, here goes nothing.
Whoa. Whoa.
There we go.
Okay, now we just gotta mark up the box. Hey man, where you at?
Huh?
Where you at?
I'm up here.
hollow points, tag your body, make sure it's for your kinfolk. With the gang hoe in the whip, blowing endo out the window. Found your bitch inside my phone, she acting mental. Don't try to mess with me, get hit in your temple. Chopper bullets so big it'll leave you with some dimples. Why you act like police? That shit not tenfold. I just stay out the way, tryna get it to the dough. Yeah, I used to love that bitch, but she got kicked out the door. She left my heart torn. Got a lot of memories, I wish I couldn't think no more. Rolling up this loud, hoping that it's gonna help me cope, but it doesn't, so I raise my cup and fill it up some more. Get some purse, get some lean, yeah, I'm gonna need some more. Now I'm just struggling, trying to stay on my 10 toes. Don't you know me, I'm not the one who is gonna fold. Hollow points, tag your body, make sure it's for your kinfolk.
some dick, then kick it out the front door. Getting all this money, yeah, you know we got them bankrolls. Got a lot in life, but I'm focused on my main goals. Started from the bottom, but I'm up here with the big pros. But we got them chopper bullets, and you know we will blow. With that being said, we won't run out of ammo. Yeah, we go to war, it will look like an air show.
We got our bolts in there. Pretty nice. It's not too bad for a redneck setup. Did a little test to make sure the amp worked and everything, and she worked. We ran out of speaker wire because we ran 2 for our tweeters, and it goes all the way to the roof, down through there, and comes out and goes behind the box and goes into the amp. And we're gonna wire all these speakers up together, and it should get us 4 ohms. So we're gonna do a series parallel circuit. Got some solder and the soldering gun heating up.
Stop fucking with me, girl. I already tried giving you the world. Now I sit by myself. Oxys make me well. Stop playing these games, just give it up. Can you come help me? I'm stuck. Can't seem to move on. Like what the fuck? All those times you did me dirty, couldn't tell me none. Now I'm pulling up in a brand new truck. Don't catch me on a bad day, my gift bug. Got this liquor by my side, pour it in my cup. Like, bitch, who you missing? My money longer than a bitch with extensions. This ain't GTA, but I'm on a mission. You did crazy, make you wanna switch positions. Move swings, so I kept my distance. Feel like Rick and Morty traveling through dimensions. Chopper hit your teeth, go see a dentist.
Took that big 40 and it came with an extension. Bitch, I shoot like Curry, yeah, you know I'm never missing. Fuck your main hoe, cause she said that you was bitchin'. Bitch, I feel like James Harden whipping in the kitchen. Hop up in the sky and you know we really drifting. Had a bad bitch, yeah, you know I'm really missing. Gave my heart away, yeah, she off in the distance. I don't know, I just might be in my feelings. So I met a new one and I couldn't resist it. Never felt this look before because it's been missing. This ain't basketball, but my shooter's in position.
Met this bad bitch and you know I am in it. Do not come around, that's a bad decision.
Hey! I'm so far away, you can't even hear me. That motherfucker's going deaf already. He's going deaf already. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Son. Somebody's pulling up on us. Oh my God. Follow that faggot. Follow him. Turn the music up. Where the music at? What the fuck is he doing? that truck, that dude in that truck looks so concerned, bro. Where does he go? We have to chase this motherfucker down just to make him hear this shit. So you're just gonna see us to keep going, huh?
No, I knew it was y'all. I was like, I need to stop. What the hell's that? Yeah, that's you.
That's crazy. Crazy, bro.
Did you turn it all the way up?
Hell yeah. Hold on.
Just trying to see if you can tell it different, bro. You get out, your fucking ears are different. Bro, I stepped out and then you cut it off, and then I felt like I can hear the change.
Dude, it fucks with your.
That's
That's why you were turning this way, because it was getting to your ear, wasn't it?
You wanna hear how clear it is? It sounds really fucking good.
I let it fall, my heart, and as
crazy.
it
That
fell,
sounds really
you
good,
rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over.
You don't even got the tweeters
until
yet.
you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak.
Yeah, wait for it.
To stand in your arms with that
What
fall
do you say?
into your
That's fucking
feet.
crazy.
But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watch it pour. I touched your face when it burned,
It's
when I
crazy.
cried, 'cause I heard it scream.